Hi, it's Barney from BBC Good Food and welcome to Boss the Basics, where we take cooking techniques right back to the basics. We're talking about things like frying eggs, making an omelette, the basic way to roast a chicken, and in this one I'm going to be making a cheat Spanish omelette. Now please don't write in, we know this isn't the authentic way to make a Spanish omelette or a tortilla, but we are going to do a cheats version which involves a bag of crisps and some eggs. So first we need to start by cracking our eggs into a bowl. Now the pan you use is really important on this as well. You want a trustworthy non-stick pan. So I'm going to be cracking about 8 eggs into a bowl. I think 8 eggs is perfect for this. Now here's our first Boss the Basic tip. When you are cracking eggs into a bowl, do not, and it's very tempting to do this, do not crack them against the side of the bowl. That way there is more chance of shell going into your bowl. When you are cracking an egg straight into a bowl, you crack it onto a flat surface first. That way you also get an even crack, which is easier to open. So remember, never against the side of the bowl, on a flat surface. I'm going to be doing it against the board. So there we go. See how that cracks neatly? Now we're just going to whisk up our eggs. We want the whites and the yolks to be completely combined. Some salt and pepper to that. Now we're going to add 3 small bags of really salty crisps. So, 1. Don't worry, this omelette feeds about 4 to 5 people. 2. 3. So that's about, I don't know, about 75 grams of crisps. So we're just going to fold the crisp through because we want them to soak into the egg. So now we're just going to put our pan on a medium heat and we want to heat up. We don't want it too hot, we just want it kind of shimmering a little bit. About 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and in that goes. Swirl that around the pan. You see it's just starting to split, so we know the oil's getting hot. So that goes in the pan. And now, it's just a matter of leaving it to cook. As it starts to cook, we're just going to keep on bringing the edges into the middle and then moving it around a bit, and then when we're confident that it's cooking through, we are just going to leave it to cook. We're just waiting for all of this to be practically set. Now we do want it a little bit runny in the middle, but not totally raw. We're going to get a plate. Plate is going to go over our pan. And then we're going to turn the heat off. We're going to get a cloth. And the cloth is going to go like so, and then 3, 2, 1, over it goes, and hopefully the gods of cooking are smiling at us, which they are. The tortilla has come out beautifully. Push it all from the plate back into the pan. Make sure you get it all in there. Like so, and then it's just a matter of giving that a minute or 2 more, and as that cooks, because we want to get that shape to it, we're just going to keep on tucking it in. So our cheese tortilla has had about 2 more minutes, and just as we did before, we're going to flip it round to serve it. Now it's up to you if you do this on a plate, but I'm going to do it on a board. We just need to get something that's going to cover the pan. Grab a tea towel, and then it's just a case of doing that again. So 3, 2, 1, whoop, there we go. Big reveal. How's it looking? Ta-da! I mean, that looks pretty perfect to me. So there we go. Can you see that? Look at that. Spanish omelette, Cheats Spanish omelette, made with nothing more than some eggs and a couple of bags of crisps. So there we have it. I'm just going to slice it up, and that's absolutely delicious warm or equally delicious cold. I really like it in like a crusty sandwich with lots of mayonnaise, but it's up to you how you want it. Cut it into big wedges for lunch or for dinner, or cut it into small cubes and have it as tapas. But there you go. There is our Cheats Spanish omelette made with eggs and crisps. This is Boss the Basics. I'm Barney. Thank you very much for watching.